Hello everyone and welcome to a child growth and development course. I'm so excited that you're all part of it and I hope that you're ready to get started. I wanted to give you an overview of the way that the course is set up. Here's the announcements page, which should come up first, and it is very, very important that you read the announcements regularly. I will be posting them at least weekly, but maybe more than that, so make sure you check the announcements. Next on the list is the syllabus. You can click on it and download the syllabus, and just know that it possibly could change, but I will let you know in announcements if it ever does. And along this page, there's some course information that you can look at and review so you're ready for the course. Getting Started tab, I'm going to include this video into there. That's how you found it, and then some other important information. Learning materials, I need you to make sure that you have access to the textbook and the course, so please let me know if you need help with that. And one of the most important sections is here, the units and assignments. This is where you're going to find all of your assignments, and you can click on Unit 1, and as we go through, more and more will be available. And as you click on, we have the agenda for Chapter 1. It tells you what to do. We work in the 5E model, and so we have the Engage. Sometimes there's an extra credit opportunity there under the Engage. And then Explore, learning about the chapter objectives, the PowerPoint that you can use to help study, and then the assignment for the week is under Evaluate. So this week we'll talk about introductions, a syllabus quiz for the first week, a discussion board for Chapter 1, and if you want to do the extra credit. And that's how each week will be set up under the 5E model, under the Units and Assignments tab. So I hope that this helps you get a little idea about the course. If you need anything, please contact me and through my email, and I will reach back out to you. And I hope that we have a successful semester together, and I'm excited to get started. Thank you.